Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1899, C.W. Schreyer arrived in Williamsburg. The young artist had several commissions to paint family portraits at his temporary residence in the Colonial Inn. Also in 1899, a polka party was held in Toano. Partygoers arrived from as far away as Petersburg and Newport News. Everyone danced until the wee hours of the morning, stating that the evening was one of the most pleasant ever spent. For more local history and stories not found anywhere else, visit archivewilliamsburg.org. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.